What's up, everybody? It's Johnny, and I'm back today with an update on the stimulus check. Many of you have received your check, and for those of you that have received your check, I am so happy for you. Unfortunately, there are many that are still waiting, and today this video is for you. Today, I'm going to go over 5 reasons why you may not have received your stimulus check. After that, I'm going to go over what may happen if you received your check and the amount was wrong or different than what you expected. Again, I personally want to thank every single person that has subscribed to this channel. It means so much to me. And I will continue to be putting out helpful updates for all of you during this time. And in the future, I will be making posts on how to assist you with crash courses on all things money and accounting related. All right. Let's start with 5 reasons why you may not have received your check. Reason number 1, the obvious reason, you may not be eligible. There are a few reasons why you may not be eligible. In order to be eligible, you need a valid Social Security number, you cannot be claimed as a dependent by another taxpayer, and your adjusted gross income must be under certain limits. Please check out one of my earlier videos. I will put a link in the description that provides a detailed breakdown on who is eligible and lets you know what specifically these amounts are. Reason number 2, you decided to wait for paper check. This may be because you got frustrated with the Get My Payment tool, or you just choose to get your check through the paper mail. This process will take time as checks are distributed from lowest qualifying income to highest qualifying income. In addition, the IRS website has indicated that if you receive your check through paper mail, the mailing time can take up to 14 days. Reason number 3, the IRS has an old bank account on file, as your bank information may have changed since the last time you filed a tax return. Or the IRS does not have your bank information because you may not have elected to pay past taxes due automatically through your account, or you received a refund in the past and you did not have that refund directly deposited into your bank account. Either option, the IRS does not have your most recent bank information. So please go to irs.gov/coronavirus and use the Get My Payment tool to enter your most recent bank information. Reason number 4, you did not file your 2018 or 2019 tax return electronically, and instead you filed it through paper return. If you filed your tax return through paper return, it is possible that the IRS still may not have processed your tax return. They usually process electronically tax returns much faster than paper tax returns. If your most recently filed tax return has not been processed, then the IRS has not been able to identify whether you are eligible for your check, which is why you may not have received it yet. Reason number 5. You may owe child support. As of right now, there are plans to withhold up to the entire amount of the stimulus check based on how much is owed on late child support payments. If you're still waiting, I'm sure you are very frustrated, and I understand. If the reasons above do not apply to you, please continue to go to irs.gov/coronavirus and use the Get My Payment tool. The IRS is continuously updating the Get My Payment tool, and I hope you can get more information on your specific situation from that website. That tool should give you the best idea of when you will receive your check, as each individual situation is unique. Okay, at this point, I want to go over what happens if you received your stimulus check and the amount is wrong. Many are saying that they are missing the $500 for each qualifying dependent child, despite filing a 2018 or 2019 tax return and claiming the child. If you believe that you received more than you should, at this time I'm still awaiting more clarification on how it will be handled, but the assumption is, in most cases, you will not be required to return the money. Unfortunately, that may change, only time will tell. If you received less than you should have, the understanding at this time is that you may have to wait until you file your 2020 tax return, which at the earliest would be January 2021. Again, these things are subject to change daily, so please check back for updates. I know many of you are wondering, will there be a second stimulus check? At this time, there have been many proposals. However, there is no confirmation of a second stimulus check yet. As soon as something comes out, you can expect that I will be ready with a video. There are a lot of rumors out there. Be careful what you read. Watch out for scams. Hang in there, and I hope that everyone can get back to normal life as soon as possible. As always, I hope everyone stays healthy, I hope everyone stays sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.